This is a JobClass.com video tutorial on how to enter or edit a new work class and work status. First, start with work class. In the main cabinet, go to Settings, click on Work Class List. To create a new work class, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing work class, click on the work class name ID from the work class list. Enter the work class ID. This is alphanumeric up to 15 characters. Enter the description for this work class. Choose the EEO class, IDOL trade type, and IDOL trade class from the dropdowns if necessary. Before choosing any of these dropdown options, if they do not already exist, please refer to Settings, EEO class list, IDOL trade class list, and IDOL trade type list. Check the box if using the MRM transfer feature. Click Save when done entering new work class. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new work classes. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing work class, and it will close the current work class tab. Then move on to Work Status. In the main cabinet, go to Settings, click on Work Status List. To create a new work status, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing work status, click on the work status name ID from the work status list. Enter the work status ID. This is alphanumeric up to 15 characters. Enter the description for the work status. Choose the EEO status from the dropdown if necessary. Before choosing the EEO status, if it does not already exist, please refer to Settings, EEO status list. Click Save when done entering new work status. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new work statuses. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing work status, and it will close the current work status tab.